In this video, we'll go through the steps needed to replace a leaky seal on a GL1800 front fork. We are using the Honda Seal Kit, part number 51490-MCA-A61. Also, don't forget to get a new crush washer for the drain bolt. First, loosen the drain bolt located on the bottom of the fork tube. It may be tight. Sometimes an air gun is needed to break it loose. Next, remove the dust cover at the top of the tube. Use a flat screwdriver or pick to pry it off. This will expose the retaining clip and seal. Pry out the retaining clip, then remove the drain plug and drain the oil. Once that screw comes out, we should be able to drain the oil.
When did we do this last?
March.
See the color of the oil?
Dirty.
It's big long.
That's a lot of miles. Well, it did at the same time as the front wheel. Once the oil has drained sufficiently, you can pull up hard on the inner tube and pop the seal and inner shaft assembly from the outer tube. You can then slide the old seal up off the shaft. Now Ben said that there's a third piece in here you don't need to use, that spacer.
Yeah.
So remove the spring, the spacer, and washer from the tube and clean thoroughly all the parts. Brake clean works well for this. I forget what he said, but it was cheaper.
Yeah.
So we replaced those bushings in the spring as well. At this point, you can check the bushing for wear, replace it if necessary. In my case here, it was still fine. It was replaced, like I said, a few months ago.
It's all good.
Easy job.
It is a very easy job. So the inside of the cab, the cylinder, you're looking for basically scratches or dents or gouges or anything like that.
Have you done any of the ones that had the monotube shock in there? I guess it's just what replaces the spring and everything. It's just a cartridge.
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never done one. So.
Singer and the Silver Bullet Band, Sirius XM Classic Rewind. We're off to a good start today. It's Friday, August 2nd. Welcome to the weekend. I'm Christian Saga.
Then reinstall the drain bolt using a new crush washer. Torque it to 15 foot-pounds. Do not use any Loctite on this or you'll never be able to get it undone again. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble the spring and the tube. Apply a small amount of lube to the new seal before sliding it back onto the tube.
This helps with the installation.
Little lube always helps with everything.
Yeah, that's what the wives say.
Next, using the seal driver, press the new seal into place and reinstall the retaining clip.
That's all she is.
You're now ready to refill the assembly with fresh oil. We're using the recommended Honda 10-weight fork oil. 2 cups of oil for the right tube and an extra 4 ounces for the left tube to make up for the anti-dive. Reinstall the fork tube cap and torque it to 16 foot-pounds. Install the dust cover and you're done. Easy peasy. The whole process shouldn't take more than 20-30 minutes. There we have it. He's done.